So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com and this is search button. So click on it and then enter your model number of your motherboard H610MH and then enter. Then this is and then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So this is both installations process same. So you can see this video and install the Windows 10 driver. Okay, so first is this an audio driver, audio. This is Realtek audio driver and this is size. Just click to download. This is download button. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. You can see that. So it is downloaded. Just single click to open. And this is extract. So you have to double click. Then click on yes. Now this is installing. It will close automatically means this is installed. Then this is close automatically means this is installed. Chipset XX serial. So first this is install serial driver and click to download. It is start. So wait few seconds to complete. It will depend on your internet. It is done and just open it. Double click on. Then click on yes. Now this is installing. Then it is done and close it. Then install this one Intel INF installations. Just click to download and just click to open it and just double click exe. Then yes. Now this is installing the last chipset driver. So this is closed automatically means this is installed. Okay, and then close it. LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver. You can see start downloading. So it is completed. Just open it. Double click. and you click on yes. So this is installing LAN driver. So it is closed automatically when this is installed. VJ driver, click to download. Now this is installing. Then it is done, and just single click to open and double click to exe. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. So it is closed automatically, means this is install it and then restart your system.